In this video, I will show you how you can add a countdown widget on any iPhone. Now to do that, just open the App Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install any countdown widget app which you prefer. For an example, I will install this app, then tap on Open. Now to create a new widget, just tap on the plus icon. Now in this section, just enter the name of your event. For an example, I will enter birthday, then tap on Done. And from here, just select the day of the event. For an example, I will select this date, then in front of repeat, just tap on this drop down arrow and select when you want to repeat this event. For an example, it is currently on off, but you can select yearly, or you can select monthly or every week. For an example, I will select yearly. Now you can customize this widget even more by entering a specific time. For an example, I will set it at this time, then tap on Done. Now after you do that, you will create a countdown widget for your iPhone. Now if you want to customize your widget even more, you can do that, but you will have to buy the premium version of the app to do so. As you can see, there are many styles for this widget, but for now I will stick with the free version. Now just tap on Save to save the changes. Select Allow and tap on Note Now. Now after you've created your countdown widget, then just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. Tap on Edit and select Add Widget. Now from here, just look for the countdown widget which we have created. As you can see, this is the widget, but if you cannot find it over here, just scroll down and look for the app which we have downloaded. And from here, just select the widget and tap on Add Widget. Now after you add your widget, then tap on Done. And after you do that, you will create a countdown widget on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.